This video will show you how we simplify rational expressions. Here we have 6x to the power 3 plus 2x squared divided by 2x squared. We can simplify this in two different ways. One way is to split the numerator because they share the same common denominator 2x squared. We then simplify each term separately and get our answer. 6 over 2 is 3. X power 3 divided by x squared is just x. 2 over 2 is 1. X squared over x squared is also 1. So the simplified form is 3x plus 1. Provided that x is not equal to 0, because if x was 0, then we would be dividing by 0, and that's not possible. Another way to simplify this expression is to factor the numerator first. In order to factor the numerator, we look for the greatest common factor between 6 and 2 and the greatest common factor between x power 3 and x squared. After studying the list shown here, you can see that the greatest common factor between 6 and 2 is 2 itself. Similarly, when you study the list here, you can see that the greatest common factor between x power 3 and x squared is x squared. This means that the common factor between 6x to the power 3 and 2x squared is 2 times x squared. We now write the terms inside the parentheses. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X power 3 divided by x squared is x. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. X squared divided by x squared is also 1. So it's 1 times 1, which is just 1. Before we do the simplification, please take a moment to check that the product here is the same as the given numerator. In the final step, we can simplify 2 with 2 and x squared with x squared. That leaves us with the final answer, 3x plus 1. And as before, x cannot be equal to 0.